Kindergarten, today you're getting your cityscape back. You'll also have the supplies to add more buildings and details. You can see since we met last time, I added a couple more buildings, some windows, a car. You can keep going with the paper, but once your paper is done, you are going to have a box of colorful Sharpies. Now, Sharpies are permanent marker. They say it right on there, which means it can stain your skin. So you want to make sure that you are not talking with it like this and bumping into other people, yourself. You don't want to draw on your skin. You want to make sure you're not getting it on your clothes. So kind of put your sleeves up and get ready to add little line detail. Remember, we learned about shape and color with our last part of our lesson, but we also on our slideshow learned about line. So we're going to add line detail to our drawings to make them a little bit nicer. So around windows, we have trim. You can go ahead and add in straight lines to your windows. They can even have like a crisscross bar. If you didn't get a chance to add a door, you could draw a door, maybe give it a doorknob. You could do wavy lines or scallops, these are called, for the types of roofing. Maybe you wanted to add a chimney. You can do it in colored. There's all different types of colors, so try to change it up and use all different types of color. You may notice that sometimes the color doesn't match the cap. That's kids being careless, so make sure that you are always putting on the cap that belongs to the project itself. So maybe there's like an antenna system up here for radio, or different lights. See that I made a light right here. I might add in yellow so that it's on. You can go through, this one almost looks like it could be a clock. So I could draw the hands of a clock all the way around. Maybe I have straight lines for the roofing on this one. Like a brick pattern is every other. So I go in the middle of all of them and kind of come down to make that. Trim around doors. In my car, I might do the inside of the wheel, maybe a headlight, windows, and I might make those blue. So you can keep switching. That's the one that had the wrong cap. Got to be careful. Some of the colors may show up well, some of them might not. You might draw someone in your car, maybe a tail light and fenders. In the middle of the road, you might see that you can the passing lane, so it's two-sided road. So go on and add little line details, nice and neat. You draw what you want in your picture. Maybe you have birds in the sky, clouds in the sky, people walking around, pets being walked. Whatever you want, you're going to add with line over the shapes and colors of your cityscape. Okay, be careful with the Sharpies. Make sure you know where the cap is. One tip is if you're using a color, take the cap and put it on the back side. It fits, and then you won't lose the cap. And when you're done with it, then you know to put it right back on and wait for the click. Okay, be careful with the Sharpies. Have a great time.